Good morning, Miss Abby.
Good morning, Mr. John.
How are you today?
Very well, thank you.
How was your weekend?
Very well, thank you. What about yours?
My weekend went very well. I went to the beach.
I see. It was a pleasure talking to you. See you next time.
Sure, have a great day.
Thank you, and you too.
John starts his conversation with "How are you today?" This is breaking the ice, that is, initiation of the conversation. How are you today is a formal way of saying how are you. How are you is a widely commonly used way to initiate the conversation, but how are you today is a bit formal. Whenever we say how are you today, that means it is a general greeting. That is, to start the conversation, you need to greet somebody. And also, this same phrase is inquiry into the other person's health or state of being. That is, how are you today? Initiation of the conversation, general greeting, and inquiry. There are other ways to say how are you today, like how are you, as I said, simplest and easiest. How are you? How do you do? How are you doing? How are you doing today? So how are you doing and how are you doing today? Just adding today will make a bit formal. How are you doing is also formal. Then how are you feeling today? If you know someone and he or she is not well or has some problem, then you can ask, how are you feeling today?